MLGO stock analysis and MLGO stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is breaking down my exact play. And as the only person in this space has done this over 4 years, actually 5 years and 42,000 videos, I've personally seen what's printing and what is not. I mean, needless to say, mate, this is nothing but a bearish market to me. And I'm not even just trying to be that person, but it's just like the literal truth. MLGO, let's pop up here. 33 results here, and like I said, like unless there is a big shift or something, like a full candle close above 79 cents, there's just no way that I'm gonna look to buy. People will overcomplicate stuff, but it's not gonna be me. So yeah, let's pop up here, and yeah, I'll definitely continue to keep you updated. Nothing to force or anything, just a bearish market. And it was not always like this. Like I had obviously previous bullish receipts like crazy here. So if you want the exclusive sauce that's taking me way too much to learn over 5 years, click the first link in the description. It expires soon, and there's like, what, 1,200 people that have gotten it as well. Goodbye, Ninja.